O Jove, much honored, Jove, supremely great. To thee, our holy rites we consecrate. Our prayers and expiations, King divine. For all things to produce, with ease through the mind is thine. Hence Mother Earth, and mountains swelling high, proceed from thee, the deep, and all within the sky. Saturnian King, descending from above. Magnanimous, commanding, sceptred Jove. All parent, principle, and end of all. Whose power almighty shakes this earthly ball. Even nature trembles at thy mighty nod. Loud sounding, armed with lightning, thundering God. Source of abundance, purifying King. O various formed, from whom all natures spring. Propitious hear my prayer. Give blameless health, with peace divine, and necessary wealth.